Hi guys. So this is going to be a quick video on how to install CircuitSim. We start by installing Java 1.8. So I'm going to install Java JDK 1.8 on Windows. Okay, now I'm going to make sure because CircuitSim wants to run under that. So I went to installing Java 1.8, and I'm going to make sure I get the latest 1.8, and we're going to get the x86 x64, I mean. Where is it? Windows. So we have to click on the Windows, and we'll put on the installer, and there is JDK 1.8. And I'm going to try to download that right now. Let's see how that works. So this is Java 8 Windows downloads. I believe in the license. Okay, it's going to make me sign in. If you don't have an Oracle account, you have to create it. What is this? Let's see, try that one. That must be my latest. Oops. Come on, by the way. Okay, and now it wants to download. I'm going to open up. Yes. Okay, so now we go through installation for GDK 8 update. Next, uh, as a general rule, it's going to put it in Java. Next, program files Java, and pretty soon I'm going to have 1.8 uploaded. This is real time on this little gadget. So this machine has never had CircuitSim on it. And we'll put it into its normal folder. And it's installing fairly quickly since this is a pretty good machine. Now, okay, it's successfully installed. Now, with some luck, I can now install CircuitSim. So I'm going to log into the portal. No one's messed with CircuitSim for a few years, so I think I probably have the latest version. Okay, so I'm going to zoom over to our class CC260 projects. And we'll go down to Logic Gates folder. And in the Logic Gates folder is CircuitSim. Let's download that. Okay. That takes us, I think, to here. And we'll click on the download. Now click here. This, and we go to Windows. Now, if you don't have Windows, grab something else. And I'll get the latest version of January 2019. And let's open that. And there it is, CircuitSim. Yes. And okay. And so the next video, now I have CircuitSim and it runs. And on this machine. So that is the process for downloading CircuitSim, first Java 1.8, and then CircuitSim. And okay, the next video will be on using CircuitSim, at least initially.